I think you've missed a bit here, love.
I think he'll be able to reach top with his pointer. This is best day of my life. Look at this woman. She's come out taking a video. She's in the middle of getting her hair dyed. She's got a bag on her head. She's crazy. Take a picture of me. She's just oblivious to me. 你好，你在染头发是吧？你很厉害，染头发还要出去。我以为染头发的人都在家里等。
我们染头发，在外面去让他回去。
马上就回家。
回去都歇，晚上都歇。
第一次我看这种，很厉害。
你们哪里不啊？
英国。
你们不抢那个染头发呀？
我妈妈染头发的时候，她很尴尬出门。She just loves it. She's not interested. Zero interest at all. Absolute no interest. This guy wants to chat. So come on then. Come on then. Come on then. He's done hello twice now. Come here. Come here. You can't do hello and then run away like that. I'm just stalking that Bible woman from other day. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to watch first episode in Chongqing when I met this woman who basically loved Jesus more than Mary, if that's possible. This petrol station here ain't caves. That's where you come out. That's where you're going. We've come to a place called Testbed 2. It's full of really cool stuff. It's basically everything you've ever dreamed of if you're into art. Look at this. Oh yeah, there's a map of Chongqing here. That's where they are. That's where I went to get my passport sorted. That's where my hotel is. Can do without that music though, that spoils it. It's too bloody loud, turn it down. No, it's just... It's not even music, it's just boom, boom, boom. It sounds like an old person saying that, but it's not. It's the Chinese boom, boom, boom. This place was originally a factory before it turned into a coffee shop mecca. A lot of people come here to take photos for Instagram. Trick Road Treat, that's my favourite. that's fun, isn't it? Trick Road Treat, I love that so much. I'm getting my phone out to take a photo. And they're doing wedding photos here too. Wedding photos in black. That's an interesting choice, isn't it? We're off to a funeral. We're off to a funeral. Who's died? No, we're getting married. Oh, right. Oh, he's on the stairs taking his photo. On the stairs. Make a pose. Do a nice pose. He looks nervous. I'm from England.
England?
Yeah, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
I see your friend's climbing up the tower. You're taking photos of him.
Sorry?
Your friend is climbing up the tower.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's my friend.
Yeah. I saw you down there taking photos of him.
Yes.
Up there. Yeah. You having a good time?
Good time.
Are you having a good time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's all right.
Camera?
Yeah, it's camera. Watch. Let's turn it around.
Oh, great.
Then we're on it together.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Your name is Island.
Yes, my English name. My Chinese name is Shishao.
Shishao. Right. Okay. No, your name is Island. That's just amazing.
Yes. Just for
life?
No.
For a joke or what?
Yes. Because before that I think I am Island, but now I have so many times, so I don't think I am an island.
All right. So what are you now?
What are you?
Country?
China?
No, not China. Oh, you are China. So
yes.
Now your name is China. Your skin is amazing. Your skin looks... How old are you? Very young.
25.
Oh my God, he's got good skin. I've seen him. Hello, friend. Hi, Lewis. My name's Luke. Yeah, hi, Lewis.
So, what's your name?
Luke.
Luke.
Yeah.
Oh.
My friend is called. Sorry, my cousin is called Lewis.
Oh.
Yeah, Lewis and Nathan. 我是买票的，是像博物馆一样是吧？什么 ？Rooftop。Oh right. OK. 好了，没什么好玩的是吧？就看那个 rooftop。OK. I'm okay, thank you. Oh, it is quite a good view though. Oh. Just get a free view from toilet, thank you. Oh yeah. Alright, okay. So that's the paid section. I could have stood there. He looks colder than me, at least I'm behind glass. Oh yeah, look at this graffiti on here. Oh, it's a cheat. They did graffiti first and then stuck it to the wall, maybe. Let's have a look at this view. He's stood a mile away, him. Oh yeah, this is nice, isn't it? Look at this. Oh yeah. Zoom in on that. Pose. Take your bloody mask off. Having a photo with his mask on. You're from America. It's American.
Oh no.
Oh right.
China.
Oh China. Oh, where are you from? In China? 乌鲁木齐。哦，新疆。我去年去了乌鲁木齐。还行。我以为那个乌鲁木齐那边的人，就是个子比较高一些，是吧？
个子高。
From England.
英国。
英国，对的。Nice. Thank you. 好 bye bye. Nice to meet you. It's actually just a trendy shopping mall. That's all it is. Let's be honest. Oh look, there's some old computers down there. Wonder if there's a Lenovo. What's he gonna do here? Looks like he's ready to jump off. It's gone to fixed light, hasn't it? Oh my god, I've seen it all now. Baijiu flavoured ice cream. If you don't know what Baijiu is, it's Chinese rice wine. It tastes like paint stripper, and I'm not joking. That would be absolutely disgusting. Baijiu flavoured ice cream. Is someone having a laugh? You can pay up to 600 quid for a bottle, or you can get a bottle for a couple of quid. It still tastes like paint stripper. I don't know how I've ended up in here. I sure as hell can't get out. Keep going down and then there's just no way to get out. Don't connect at the road. I'm lost, but at least there's a bridge. Will I ever get out? What a cliffhanger. Yeah, I did, but I had to climb all the way back up to the top because I couldn't get out down at the bottom. Anyway, have you ever had the dream to become a model for the day? I didn't know I had that dream until it came true. Join me next time for the final episode in Chongqing. Your English is good, well done. Yeah.
Thank you, because I always taught my French customer.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes,
nice. Yeah, I'm sure they like you very much. You've got a nice face.